Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the essentials and logging in right away. Have your original caste certificate, Aadhaar, and domicile proof scanned as clear PDFs. Once done, sign into the Maharashtra e-governance portal or DigiLocker to start the application. Make sure your mobile number is linked and you can receive OTPs. Select the Caste Validity service from the Citizen Services menu and choose New Application. Enter basic personal details exactly as on Aadhaar. Save periodically to avoid losing entries. Now focus on the detailed form entries and careful uploads. Fill each section, personal, family, and education, accurately. Mismatches cause delays, so match spellings to official ID. Upload the caste certificate, Aadhaar, domicile, and any required affidavit as specified. Use PDF and follow size limits. Once uploads are done, preview the application, then proceed to payment using UPI or card. After payment, note the application reference number and take a screenshot. This helps track the case in the portal. To complete the process, monitor verification and respond quickly to requests. Once submitted, the department may verify documents online or schedule a local verification. If asked for originals, present them promptly to the designated officer. Keep checking the portal with your application reference. Once approved, download the validated caste certificate or the rejection notice. If you receive an objection, read reasons carefully and file an appeal within the stipulated period with supporting evidence. One key troubleshooting tip: document every interaction and keep screenshots for proof.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.